In this, we're going to look at how resource partitioning helps reduce competition. So let's say we have two plants here, and plant number one, it has relatively shallow roots. Plant number two has, in general, much deeper roots. Now, plant number one, we're going to say, is a stronger competitor. So it's better at extracting water. And plant number two is the weaker competitor. Now, as with all things, there's natural variation. So there's going to be some natural variation in the depth of roots for both of these plants. And in some cases, there are individuals of plant 1 and 2 that come into direct competition. And so this is what we're representing with this particular graph, where species 1 and species 2 generally are not in direct competition, but there is an overlap in which some individuals are going to use or attempt to use the same resources. Now, what's going to happen as a result of this, because species 2 was the weaker of the two competitors, the individuals that are in direct competition are going to essentially lose, which means they will be eliminated. Since they will die off, they won't pass along their genes, so they won't pass along the shorter roots that put them in direct competition. Therefore, that trait will essentially be selected away from. And so we will have a change in species 2 in which the overall population moves more towards the longer roots, therefore moving away from competition with species 1. And so now we have full resource partitioning in which no one is in competition.